SIWATT electrical steel by Acroni. SIWATT is a sustainably produced, non-oriented electrical steel, which enables the comforts of modern life in an economical and increasingly eco-friendly way. Like SIWATT, all Acroni steel products have an extremely low carbon footprint and are among the greenest steels in the world. We use 100% recycled steel scrap and melted in an electric arc furnace. The heat is alloyed in the ladle furnace and refined in the VOD converter. Chemical analysis is performed after all three steps. Then, the heat is cast on the continuous casting machine. The strand is cut into slabs, which are transferred to the hot rolling mill, where they are reheated in the pusher-type furnace and rolled onto the roughing rolling mill. The rolled pieces then go to the reversible finishing mill, where they are rolled into hot-rolled coils. The coils are side-trimmed, shot-blasted, and cold-rolled to the desired thickness. On the line for cold-rolled non-oriented electrical steel, the strip is first cleaned. Then it travels through the annealing furnaces, which enables decarburization, recrystallization annealing, and crystal grain growth. These steps ensure the required final magnetic properties. The strip is then coated with an insulating varnish, which is also tested. The finishing coils are then slit into strips of the desired width and packed into protective packaging. Thanks to its excellent magnetizing properties and low core losses, SIWATT is the perfect material for the production, conversion, distribution, and use of electricity, and the driving force behind green mobility.